My guitar has a built-in tuner, so I just tune and tune and tune and tune. I don't even need to. You guys wouldn't know the difference anyway. I can hardly tell.
Anyway, you can see I have no light.
She has balls, this girl.
Yes.
That's what I'm supposed to say. I never use that word unless I'm told to say it. And who is it? Casey who? Casey Chambers. I don't know Casey Chambers. I don't really listen to music, you know. I think old music. I mean, I don't listen to new music. Unless I happen to hear it. Nobody's laughing. You're laughing?
Don't.